All right, we're down here at Leki at Trail Days, actually in Tent City, and I got Patrick here from Leki, and he's going to walk us through. He's the marketing dude, and talk a little bit about poles, what you guys do for hikers down here, and anything else that you'd like to talk about and recommend.
First of all, just pretty excited to be here for Trail Days again here in 2018. Also kind of cool to be spotted by Bigfoot as opposed to trying to spot Bigfoot myself. Just really happy to be here. Our main goal this weekend is repairing and servicing, primarily Leki poles, but we'll work on anything we can if we can. And it's, the real point of this weekend for us here is to give back and support the community and just say thank you to the hikers. And then beyond that, it gives us a really good opportunity to talk about some of our new products and what's different, what's new, and what's been improved, and what's never going to change because it works, and why fix it if it isn't broken. Right now, I'm actually holding on to our new Carbon Max. Picked this pole in particular because I know that Bigfoot has some opinions on carbon fiber poles. So I wanted to show him something that we offer that's a little bit beefier and a little bit more durable. We are seeing more and more carbon on the trail, but by no means do we discredit or discount our aluminum poles. That's what got us to this point and what people know us for. The three-piece extendable aluminum pole is popular, and for a reason. It's bomb-proof, durable, and like anything else, we build it as well as we can. But things can, will, and do break. And if that happens, we try to build product that you can repair yourself on the trail. Something you're going to notice as you go along, whether it's AT or elsewhere, is most of the shops we come in, not only do they have our poles, but they have our tips and our baskets, our levers, and sometimes midsections. And we highly recommend, when you stop in one of those shops, grab a tip, keep it in your pack. Maybe you'll need it, maybe not. Maybe you could do some trail magic for somebody else. But that's really something that we push super hard with Leki, is that everything has a breaking point, and the big differentiating factor is, can you fix it? Can you fix it yourself? And can you fix it on the trail? Someone said to me long ago, and I wish I could remember who, there's no gear shop at the peak. When you get up there, you're self-supported, you're on your own, and you need something that you can stand by and that will stand by you. That's why, Leki Products, we've been in business for several years, and we're well known and well loved. And another reason we love coming to Trail Days is, we get reminded by the thru hikers of what Leki's about and why we're loved, and get reminders of the product and our customer service. And it's just such a great experience because, we try to give back, but, it's not why we're here, but the thank yous and the pats on the backs and the high fives and, a free beer here and there, it's great. It's a great feeling, and we're just beyond stoked to be here.
Well, thanks. I will attest to a couple of things. First off, you can find Leki products anywhere on the trail.
Yeah.
I've said that. I had Black Diamond when I did the AT, and it was frustrating trying to find tips. My tips broke every 500 miles. So I had to keep tips in, and I do recommend having a spare tips because you never know when you're going to need it. And I actually had to keep mine because I didn't know the next 300, 400, 500 miles if I was going to have a place to buy them.
You don't get to choose when something breaks. You don't get to choose when you lose a tip or a carbide tip flakes off. So you need to be prepared, and the less you can carry, the better. And that's why the Leki parts are interchangeable throughout every shaft, every pole, same tip, same basket. It's all pretty interchangeable. And there's some of that Trail Days weather that we love.
Yeah, we do. From aluminum, so you showed us something that you'd recommend, or that something's new, that's more beefier for carbon. What about aluminum? What's one that you would go to for your average thru hiker?
The Cork Light. It's everybody's favorite pole. It's got our Teck grip, lightweight, durable, good feeling cork in the hand, our lightweight, breathable skin strap, and then our tempered aluminum shafts that Leki has been known for over 40 years now. It's one of those things. It works well, and we've been rolling with it because that's what people like, and that's what we like. That's what I like with, and like I said, if it's not broken, don't fix it.
Yeah. So I see you guys are doing some repairs right now, right?
Yep.
I would love, because I think that there's a lot of subscribers that don't know, could we maybe show how you replace a tip?
Absolutely.
It's kind of a caveman process where you just sort of take something that'll slide over the shaft of the pole, and you really just use some force and knock it off. Just like that.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah, it doesn't always happen the first time.
You can, if you don't have, you know, that shaft, you can use a crescent wrench, wedge it between a V and a tree. Anything you have, you just need a good jolt, and that'll knock the tip right off. We do compression fittings on all of them, as opposed to glue. Again, for that same reason, you need to be able to fix it yourself on the trail.
Awesome.
Then the process to put the new one on is kind of the reverse of that. You got your extra tip, slides on the end, find a good hard surface, and you're good to go.
Awesome. Thank you. What would you say are some of the common repairs that you guys see out here, besides maybe replacing tips?
We see a lot of bent and broken sections, just from where people have taken a hard fall on their poles. That's probably the most common thing. We do a lot of cleaning and tune-ups, a lot of lock adjustments, just to make sure everything's dialed in and working right.
Anything that you recommend for the thru hikers out there on the trail from maybe a preventative maintenance standpoint that will help keep their trekking poles working well?
Definitely. Two things is, first of all, don't over-tighten your locks. They don't have to be torqued down super hard. And the second thing is, especially if your poles have been wet, when you get to camp and you've got a dry day, take them apart, pull all the sections apart. They're made sections for a reason. Take them apart and let them dry out so that they don't oxidize, corrode, and seize together inside.
Sweet. Thanks, man.
You bet. Thank you.
Awesome.
And that was Bigfoot and Alex talking about pole maintenance, everybody. Listen to this guy. He knows what he's talking about.
Yes, they do.
Sorry, video inception moment.
Yes. Well, Patrick, is there anything else that you wanted to talk about at all with Leki? You kind of hit a lot already.
I think we covered most of it, but if you have any questions that we didn't cover here, you can hit us up on Facebook or Instagram, or go to our website, look up the 800 number. If you call our number, you'll get a person right away, and they know everything about these poles. They know a lot about your problems, probably more than you do, and they can get you back on the trail really quickly.
Awesome. Well, I'll tell you one last thing for me. I've heard nothing but fantastic things about customer service at Leki, and that's why a lot of people choose your product, is because not just the quality, but the customer service. Second to none is what I've been told many times.
Man, I love to hear that, and I never get sick of it. It's just such an incredible thing when someone I've never met before comes running up off the trail and they say, hey, we love your poles, we love Leki. The poles are great, whatever, who cares, but we love your customer service. When I have an issue, I wasn't sure if this was something that would get covered or not. I called up the 800 number. The person I talked to was extremely friendly, knew exactly what I needed, and was able to get that shipped out to my next drop location before I even arrived. And that's, man, an incredible experience. When you're out there on your own and if something breaks, it can be pretty disheartening when you're already going through enough. And to have someone at the other end of a phone line who understands your struggle and can make it right, and make it right pretty quick, that's huge.
Absolutely.
We all have
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
We appreciate that.
You're so welcome.
All right. This is Bigfoot. Sign off here with Patrick at Leki Gear Repair down at Trail Days 2018. Thanks, fellas.
Thanks, Bigfoot.